So only this morning my connection come back. That's why I have a live right now. So I know now the people in the Philippines is totally affected of the typhoon, and most of us uh, suffer about the financial, suffer about uh, shelter, clothing, food. So now the Philippines from the poverty life need need the help of the others to recover immediately, to recover as soon as possible, recover the financial, livelihood and life and house. So too much sad because every